Welcome to the great outdoors.
Yeah, welcome everybody.
Where nature is free to express its wildest emotions.
Oh, you mean this? Whoop!
No, where nature is free to express its wildest emotions.
How big this Jeep is? See how big that is? Oh my god, there's a skeleton in there. Amazing.
Where new discoveries are being made each and every day.
Hi.
Welcome to the great outdoors.
Well, ah! I can't fix it. Let me fix it. Jeep, you're gonna stand here and get soaked wet in a flood.
So, what are we looking at today, chaps?
I guess we should be looking at a poop. I'm gonna try and
What is this magnificent tool you have brought with us?
Nothing. It's absolutely nothing. It's called, and today we're on the search for horse poop. That's what we are. I don't care.
Where do you expect to find it?
About around the forest, somewhere like that. People's. Yeah, I guess we should. Let's look this way. I expect it to find right here. Horse poop. See this? They used to call this horse poop.
Hey, no, bro, you're going the wrong way. You're going the wrong way. It's that way.
Okay, you're going this way. What?